because I will examine her.
Help Carol to,
I know you're getting in there. Grab this, Gina.
show it to my box. That was crazy, actually.
Remember when we were at the show, I go, no, I want this stuff to get the plane.
Yeah, and it happened. Yeah. Like, can you be a little discreet
How
about that?
about this? I'm just trying different ways of it.
I know.
No, she's just fighting. That's all she's doing is because she's not used
Never
to
seen her
it.
wag her tail.
So she's just fighting.
Yeah, she doesn't wag her tail.
Oh.
Never wags her tail.
This one?
Never wags her tail.
Ms. Rich said this one never stops.
Well, he doesn't borrow.
It's okay. It's okay. There you go, girl. Okay. Yes.
She just doesn't, she wants. Okay.
She was worse. It's not your fault, it's her. Who's ever raised her. Okay,
And they love it.
ready? I want you to go down to the corner, back to me in a straight line.
Oh, trust me.
A little trick for you newcomers. I don't know why this works, but when you're getting your dog for the judge will allow us to say down and back. And a lot of people don't, they're watching their dog and they're either drunk or they don't know what they're doing. I don't know why it works, but when the judge says down and back, I'm gonna look at that doorknob, okay? I'm gonna focus on that doorknob. And for some reason, your body will automatically go to that doorknob, even if you don't look at it again. Same thing, you turn around, you focus on the judge, and your body will go there automatically. I don't know why it works, but it does. Ready? Okay. Ready? Down and back. To the doorknob. Let's go.
Bam.
Now into the door.
Ready?
Okay, back to the other one. To the table, right?
She's a standard.
Oh, she is a standard. Okay.
Mine is just a giant compared to her.
Oh, okay.
She's only 3 months.
Okay.
Oh.
They're a monkey heart.
Charlie, come on. Charlie,
The standard's anything over 15 inches, right?
No. 19.
you're such a good girl. 15. That's the bottom of the standard.
It is.
It's too much for the standards. I like to watch my dog roll in the rain.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
love that.
Same thing, to the doorknob
I
and back.
my cousin did too.
I have 4 of these.
She has
Too much
three
room
that started
for me.
camping and went to the.
Me too.
I want to watch it.
See where you're going? Try it again. Try it again.
At least she keeps her tail on.
She does.
Okay, look up at me, and then, yeah.
Come on, McCarty. Tail constantly.
You don't have to keep looking at me, but when you make that turn, look where you're going. Good girl. Okay, to the end of the line.